If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. This is so beautiful to see. As we have reclaimed this previous low, we were suggesting that 2 cent needs to hold, and eventually we will get up to the 3 cent area, essentially retracing back to this high over here, where we see a lot of peaks in the past. So this is where we're anticipating Vechain to go, as it can, as long as it can maintain this level that has been reclaimed. And I've just made it a little bit easy for you guys. 2 cent is above this point, but as it's a psychological level right over here, we just need to find support above that. And in yesterday's daily candle, we can see it actually confirming this area as support. This is what we'll be analyzing in today's update, so make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment and share. Comment and share. And yeah, please do enjoy this update. If any of you guys want to get educated, wait till the end of this video to hear more about it, or use the links in the description down below. So the next level of resistance that we're anticipating Vechain to actually come into is this box over here between the price of 234 and 24 and pretty much 2.5 cent. And what I'm going to do now is actually use my Fibonacci's as well. So from that high to this low. And I think I've already shown you guys this, that if we're placing on these two lows over here, just in case this is a scam wick, but we can see it's suggesting this area anyway. And then we're putting on this low, we can see that it's targeting this box. So this is where we could see potential rejections. In fact, can you see to the left over here already? There is a layer that we have broken through in 2 days ago. In yesterday's candle, we actually fell through it again. So it looked like it was a fake out above the 0.5 at 2163. But we've just come down to that key level. All we need to do is find support above these moving averages. We've now finally been given this crossover here between the 20 and the 200 moving average, which is a huge bullish indication, simply because, well, it needs to of course confirm its support, but this is a bullish signal because this is what's keeping us bearish, the white moving average 200 EMA. When price gets above it, we need to see the 20 coming above, because this is what's signaling the shorter term time frame trend essentially. So on the daily, as we maintain above this, if we just come down for support, then the next days and weeks we should just see further continuation higher if we get above this purple line. And then over this white line, it means that as long as we can maintain this over the next coming weeks and months, we should continue higher essentially. So the fact that we're now seeing the shorter term one crossing over, it's a layer of protection. A final nail in the coffin would be the 55 coming above. That's called a golden cross, I think. And then we just kiss that for support. You know, don't necessarily need to dump from here. I'm just suggesting that if we ever do come down to the 55, I'd like the 55 to be above the 200 EMA at that point. And then we got 3 moving averages being used as support. Right now we've got 2. This is still a level of support, but this is below the 200 EMA. You know, if we did see a crash like this, which is not going to happen, and then you use the 200 like that and we lose the 55, then we're seeing downtrend continuation hunting this low over here. But until we see those moments, nothing to think about right now. We're on a different journey. We're on a path to the upside. We've seen such a bullish signal flashing over here in the past days, and then with yesterday's dump, we actually confirmed this area as support. This is still above our moving averages, our longer term and shorter term trend essentially. This is like your mid-term. We just need that to cross over, and the 200 will hang at the bottom. This will be at the top. Second layer of defense, last layer of defense, telling you that we are still bullish over here. So yeah, as we are now looking, as we have confirmed this support, we're just looking for price to continue into this level as high as 2.5 cent. This is what could essentially stand in the way of us reaching our targets over here of 3 cents. But please do understand that even if we get a rejection over here, it just needs to then maintain this area, the 2 cent psychological level. So while this 2 cent psychological level is being maintained, and even below that point we have the moving averages, then we should just be looking for continuation. Even if we do get that rejection, just hold above 2 cent and the moving averages, and then we should break through, create the reversal wave where we actually target the top over here. Our 3 cent target is slightly beneath, but in fact that was from a video from a few weeks back, and there are actually higher up targets. We got targets as high as 5.5 cent almost, so it is looking quite nice going into the future as long as we can break through the golden pocket, flip it in support and validate these targets. Then the last thing that could stand in our way is the 1 fib level, and at all costs we need to break that. If we start to see a rejection where we lose the golden pocket, we're invalidating those targets. So once we do get up into that area, which we're very close. Again, just need to maintain 2 cents. So if we do see that rejection, just need a higher low above that point, a break of the golden pocket, confirming its support, could come down as low as that. So I'll just draw that in case, and then looking for this to break. Again, under this high, this is where we're retracing to at the moment. This is what's standing in the way. Lose the moving averages, and we are looking for continuation lower, but we're above them. We're looking bullish. We're above this low, so even if we do dump, that should be the support, and then eventually break this, flipping this into a reversal wave where we retrace to this high, and that's the final thing that stands in our way before we actually get up to 4.5 and 5.5 cent over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. I want to know your thoughts on Vechain. Will we continue to pump? Do you think we'll get a rejection over here? Do you think it will eventually get through this and head to our 3 cent and beyond targets? And if you want to get educated, use the links in the description down below. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.